Hello everyone. Here in this web scraping, we are going to find restaurants in every city in India. For example, here we have cities, all cities in India. There are 1,459 cities, and each city, for example, this one has too many restaurants. We are going to find each restaurant for each city, and the data that we are going to extract is the name of the restaurant, the address, the website, email, and the phone, and also the price or the kind of the food that they are serving. Okay, first step is to find the cities. Okay, here we have a script. We are going to open the driver. I'm using Google Home driver here. Let me just close this one here, and then I'm going to save everything in a CSV file. Then it goes one page at a time. There are 73 pages. Each page has 20 cities, and we need the link to that page for those restaurants. Here you are seeing that the script is working. Let me just stop it and show you the result for now. And here is the result. Here is the link, here is the name of the city. In just a few seconds we extracted 200 cities. This is the link to that city, and this is the name of that city. Next step, we are going to open each link and save the restaurant and their link, and after that we are going to extract the restaurant data for our project.